What if humans colonized Mars in 2050? It's the year 2050. Humanity has accomplished one of its most ambitious goals, the colonization of Mars. Across the vast red deserts rise futuristic settlements, where towering domes shelter greenhouses and advanced technology sustains human life. But this new world is far from easy. With weaker gravity, a thin atmosphere, and sub-zero temperatures, survival on Mars demands constant innovation and resilience. Could this be the foundation of a second Earth, or will it remain a fragile outpost on the edge of space? Join us as we explore what would happen if humans colonized Mars by 2050. The red planet beckons. For centuries, Mars has held a special place in humanity's collective imagination, a symbol of adventure, mystery, and the potential for life beyond Earth. As the 21st century dawned, that fascination turned into a concrete plan. The red planet became less of a dream and more of a goal. Private companies like SpaceX led the charge with audacious plans to make life multiplanetary. By 2050, this vision started to materialize. The first self-sustaining human settlements on Mars were no longer a fantasy, but a tangible reality. The challenges of a new frontier, but the reality of Mars is harsh and unforgiving. Unlike the Earth, Mars does not offer the same comforts of breathable air, abundant water, or a stable climate. Gravity on Mars is about 38% of Earth's gravity. This means that not only would everyday activities like walking and lifting objects become more difficult, but it also affects the human body in the long term. Bones and muscles would deteriorate faster, making it harder for astronauts to move around even on Earth. A person who has spent several years on Mars might find it difficult to function normally back on Earth. To survive on Mars, humans needed more than just willpower. They needed innovation. Advanced technologies developed to sustain life on Mars became part of the planet's new reality. From airtight habitats to sophisticated recycling systems, these innovations ensured that humans could not only live but thrive on the red planet. Life under the red sun. Life under the red sun is not easy. The thin Martian atmosphere and lack of an ozone layer expose the surface to deadly solar radiation. Days are longer, hotter, and receive more intense UV radiation than Earth. To protect against this, colonists live in pressurized habitats shielded against radiation. While some brave souls venture out wearing state-of-the-art spacesuits, the majority of life takes place within these artificial havens. Water is another critical resource. Although evidence suggests that water ice exists on Mars, accessing it requires significant energy. So colonists rely on water that they brought with them or produced from the thin Martian atmosphere through machines called sabatier. Water is so precious that every drop is recycled and used multiple times for drinking, sanitation, and even farming. Challenges and risks. Despite these challenges, life on Mars is not without its wonders. Views of Earth from Mars are breathtaking, a tiny blue dot in the vast expanse of space, a reminder of the incredible journey undertaken by those who settled on Mars. And yet, for all its beauty, Mars is a risky place to live. Earthquakes, dust storms, and the ever-present threat of radiation are constant reminders of the planet's unforgiving nature. Maintaining a sustainable colony requires constant vigilance and adaptation. Failure is not an option, a fragile oasis. As we approach 2050, the picture that emerges is one of hope and resilience. The human settlements on Mars, though advanced and technologically sophisticated, exist in a delicate balance with their harsh surroundings. It's a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. These colonies are not just about scientific research or resource extraction. They represent a crucial step in our species' evolution, a leap from a single planet to a multiplanetary civilization. However, the road ahead is not without its challenges. Ethical questions about terraforming Mars, the potential impact on any native Martian life, and the immense cost of maintaining these colonies are issues that need careful consideration. Will Mars become the second Earth, a place where people can live without the need for spacesuits and artificial environments? Or will it forever remain a fragile outpost sustained by technology on the edge of space? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the story of humanity's colonization of Mars by 2050 is a tale of courage, innovation, and the indomitable spirit of exploration that has always defined our species. It's a story worth telling, and one that we hope inspires you to dream of the possibilities that await us all in the great cosmic journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share your ideas below and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.